Good morning, everybody. I hope you enjoyed your slightly longer weekend than normal. It was ideal, wasn't it, to just have that extra day. So, last week you played matches for the first time since March 2020. That's a long time ago, And you were, I could feel the fact that you were very, very excited. Why? I mean, why should something like that create such a sense of looking forward to it, sort of tension, enjoyable tension? What is it about matches on a Wednesday which do that? Well, I think a lot of it is because you're part of a team, with a sense of belonging. Everybody likes to be included. Everybody likes to belong to something, and your team, whichever team it is, should encourage that sense of belonging. And that's the first reason why we do matches. Then I think we enjoy competing. Not all of us, not everybody needs to compete, but quite a few of us enjoy some form of competition. Not win at all costs competition. That's where people cheat. That's not good competition. But I think it's human nature is that majority of us enjoy competition, and when you leave Amesbury, life is in many respects competitive. So I think the human nature enjoys that. There is also a sense of duty and responsibility. Your bit towards the team, very important. And remember, that's not just on the games field. I know at the end of this term there's a lot of plays going on. And I think the dance troupe are going to perform, and within that sense of belonging, you have a duty and a responsibility to that team, and I think we enjoy that as well. So let's think of those things. Why do we do fixtures? We have that sense of belonging, that sense of team. We enjoy competing, and we like to feel that we have a sense of responsibility which we are fulfilling to our team. Not everyone enjoys it though. Not everyone is competitive, not everyone enjoys that sense of doing matches. And you must be very thoughtful, you must empathise with them, you must try and feel how they feel, so that you can still make sure they belong. And what is the Amesbury way of competing? Well, I like to think that every time we go out on a pitch, or when we go onto the stage, or we go to sing, anything like that, we go out to do our very best. There's no point in turning up if you're not going to try and do your very best. There's nothing worse than that sense that you could have done better. So let's think, the Amesbury way. We go out there ready to do our best. We do our best to win, to perform to the best of our ability. And if we win, we celebrate, but we celebrate politely. We don't boast. We don't look down on our opposition and go, no, you were no good. We respect our opposition, we respect our game. And that's the Amesbury way. And then, when we've done that, if we've lost, we've been a bit disappointed, but oh well, we pick ourselves up and try again the next time. So, I think that's why everybody was so excited last Wednesday. Thank you.